All right, now it's time for you to do the real practice of speaking number 3. So it's all going to be super real, like on the real exam. You're going to read the text, then listen to the discussion, and then you will have 30 seconds to prepare your response, and then 60 seconds to speak. So do it just like you're on the real exam. Try your hardest, take a lot of notes, and then try how it goes. Maybe you're ready to go to the exam already because you're nailing the speaking number 3. Or maybe you still need some practice. So there is only one way to know. Just practice now. All right, so a couple of things. First of all, pay attention to time. So sometimes you see the 60 seconds, you start reading, and then you realize there's too much time. So you can slow down. You can start describing everything in detail, maybe add more words. Or vice versa, you see that the time is running so fast and you have so many things to say. Always look at the time, because if you have little time, you really need to say at least the key points. So it's really bad when the time is over and you still have a lot of material, because you're gonna lose points on that. And also, it's pretty bad when you already said a lot of things, you've finished, and then you have some seconds of complete silence. It's also really bad. So you have to learn what is 60 seconds, and then you also have to learn how to adjust your material so that it fits within those 60 seconds. It only takes practice. So pay attention to time now, of course, and then practice taking notes, practice reading these notes out loud while you're speaking, and then if you do all of that, it's gonna be great. Of course, do not forget about the cliches. If you still didn't learn them, pause this video, learn them by heart, and then go and practice. I wish you good luck. Let's see how it goes.
Please listen carefully. In this question, you will read a short passage about a campus situation and then listen to a conversation on the same topic. You will then answer a question using information from both the reading passage and the conversation. After you hear the question, you will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. The student newspaper has published an article about different services offered on campus. Read the description of the Legal Aid Project. You will have 45 seconds to read the description. Begin reading now. Now listen to two students as they discuss the Legal Aid Project.
I didn't know that they had a free legal service for students here. You could get help with your housing problem.
Oh, I don't know. That project's just set up to help the law students.
Maybe, but you said that you couldn't afford to see a lawyer, and this service is free. You might be able to get your rent deposit back.
I don't really trust a student to advise me. I mean, those guys don't have any experience, do they?
Well, I think they do. You know, law students have to take a practicum where they deal with real legal cases that were dealt with in the past. Anyway, they go through old cases as if they were current ones, and then they see how the experienced lawyers dealt with the problems and, analyze the ins and outs of the case.
But that's just a classroom exercise.
Maybe. But see, it also says that the project staff assists them. The staff probably steps in and gives advice if the student is going in the wrong direction.
The woman expresses her opinion of the Legal Aid Project. State her opinion and explain her arguments in favor of the service. You may begin to prepare your response after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep.